What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to start earning stock by shopping online. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand: how to start earning stock by shopping online. Now, if you know anything about my channel, right, you know that I talk about making money through various different ways. You know what I'm saying? Through building a business online, through investing, through maybe doing or running your own business offline, through buying different real estate, ways of buying real estate and things like that. So we do a broad, how can I say, a broad umbrella of what it is to start making money and start building your, your wealth, your financial freedom, and things of that nature. Now, I've known about this website that's been paying people money and giving people stock in their company for a few years now. And I figured I'd put my wealth builders onto it. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't heard about the company or website already, it's called iconsumer. Now, they're up to about 60,000 members to iconsumer. So there's still room for growth, a lot of room for growth with iConsumer. And the best thing about iConsumer is that they are not exactly the same as every other discount site. Okay, so basically iConsumer is a site that mirrors Rakuten. Okay, if you don't know anything about Rakuten, Rakuten is a discount site. It's a cashback rebate site. So basically you purchase something through their site and you get either cash back or a rebate or some form of payment for purchasing something through their site. Now, that's pretty much the basics of what iConsumer and Rakuten are. But the difference is that iConsumer actually hooks you up with stocks of their company, okay, of iConsumer. So iConsumer is a publicly traded company, and the actual publicly traded information will be down in the description. Okay, that's so you can see exactly the ticker icon and all that good stuff. Everything that needs to know about iConsumer, you can go to their website, and my affiliate link will be in the description. That's so you can check it out. Now, like I said, the difference is that iConsumer actually hooked you up with the stocks of the company. And iConsumer, the company, is offering 500 free shares for your first qualifying purchase. This is an offer from the normal 100 shares after signing up. So hurry up while the stocks last, okay? Because there's no telling how long this will last, okay? And with the current situation that the economy is in right now, this is a great opportunity to get on board with something at ground level. Okay, now with their stock shares currently worth about 13 to 17 cents, this will be about $70 worth of stock. But the prices may vary at the time of you watching this video and the time you sign up. Okay, but I know this might seem like a little to kick off your investment, but it is enough. Okay, unlike other companies that offer stocks in different companies, iConsumer gives you their own company shares, which is way better than most. Okay, now another thing that makes the company unique is that they are a rewards and shopping cashback company rather than just an investment company. Okay, so like I said, they are pretty much mirror to what Rakuten does, and a lot of times they give you a deeper kickback for purchasing through their site. I've noticed that Rakuten does like 8 to 10% a lot of times. iConsumer gives you like 23%, 24%, 10%, 15%. Very high kickback for purchasing things through their site. So that's another difference between Rakuten and iConsumer. Now, However, instead of giving you gift cards and cash, they give shares, okay? And you will also get to earn an additional 50 shares of stock by sharing iConsumer with your friends, your family. You can promote it on Facebook, you can promote it on Twitter, you can promote it on YouTube, you can promote it on Pinterest, you know what I'm saying, LinkedIn, wherever you want to promote it. You can promote it to your email list if you have one. This is a marketer's dream come true, okay? So you definitely can use this and get more shares of the company and start making more money, and more money once the stocks start to grow and start to, you know what I'm saying, like double and triple what the worth of it is at the time that you purchased it, okay? You always want to get on the ground floor of something, especially if it's free, okay? And if that's not even the tip of the iceberg, okay? You never know where this company's stock will be in the next 2 to 5 years, so why not join it? It's that simple, okay? It's free to join, it's free to use, and you can make a lot of money in the near future, okay? What's not to like, right? What's not to like? Go ahead, check my affiliate link in the description, and get signed up. It's really easy, all right? So thanks for watching. It's your boy Devon, signing up for how to earn stock by shopping online. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.